Hi, I'm Liz and I'm the Aged Care Quality and Safety Commissioner. I live and work on Ngunnawal country. My role means I lead the Commission and I'm honoured to help make aged care services better for all older people in Australia, including First Nations elders and older people. The Aged Care Quality and Safety Commission is the national aged care regulator. This means we protect the rights of older people and make sure their safety, well-being and quality of life is at the centre of aged care. For older Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people, this can mean staying connected to family, culture, community and country or island homes. The First Nations Aged Care Commissioner Andrea Kelly has told us that we're not seen as a culturally safe organisation. I take this feedback very seriously and we are making a big effort. We recognise the rich and complex history of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples, including the traumatic experiences of the stolen generations and the lasting impact this has on their experiences with government and with care systems. We're conscious of our role as the assurer of quality and safety in aged care and the importance of making sure older Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people and their families have access to culturally safe care. Part of this includes making sure aged care providers are doing the right things and their workers look after older people the right way, and we're supporting them to improve if needed. We help older people and their families understand they have a voice when it comes to their care, and we're making it easier to talk to us when something isn't right. We want you to connect with us and tell us about any concerns you have about the quality of care that you're getting. We know we can do more to support First Nations older people, providers, workers and community. One way is by employing more First Nations staff. As a first step, we have put a special unit in place supporting First Nations policy work, and we're setting up dedicated First Nations teams in areas like complaints and provider registration. So when you connect with us, you get the support you need. We've started making changes, but change takes time. I'm committed to making real progress. We'd love to get your feedback. If you think there's something we can improve, we want you to tell us. We want to hear about your experiences so we can continue to improve and make aged care better for all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people.